Scene: two classmates, Maya and Rahul, are sitting together in the classroom before class starts. Hey Rahul, what's this on your notebook? Oh, this is a sticker I got from the science fair. Nice. And what's that on the teacher's table? That's a new project model. I think the teacher made it. Wow, cool. What are these in your hand? These are flashcards. I'm using them to study for the quiz. And what are those near the window? Oh, those are Arman's books. He left them there during lunch. What's inside your bag? My lunchbox, a notebook, and some pens. What's in your lunchbox today? Sandwiches and fruit. What about yours? I have pasta today. And hey, what's that in your pocket? Oh, that's just a keychain my sister gave me. These flashcards look helpful. Can I try one? Sure. These are easy ones, and those over there are the tricky ones. Thanks. What's the first question? What's the capital of Japan? Tokyo. See, I'm ready. Ha! Great job. Okay, let's do this together.